Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Shawn's the name, YouTube's the game. In this video, we'll be talking about the new-ish requirements to the YouTube Partner Program and the easiest way to get into it. Now, regardless of your opinion of these new changes, one thing is for certain. We can't change the requirements, we can only abide by them. So, if you're sitting there going, what the heck are you talking about? What is even this YouTube Partner Program? Then bear with me. I will get into everything in just a second, so without further ado, let's hop right into it. Okay, so first of all, what is the YouTube Partner Program? Well, it's basically YouTube's way of saying that partners in this program are legit. They are legit enough to be able to monetize their videos as well as generate revenue off YouTube Red subscribers, along with a few other minor perks like being able to link external websites and end screens and little things like that. Biggest reason why you want to be in the YouTube Partner Program is to be able to generate revenue off your hard work on YouTube, which is why you're probably watching this video. So what are the requirements to make it into the YouTube Partner Program? Well, it used to be that your channel only needed 10,000 lifetime views, and in the scheme of things, that's really not that big of a deal. But as of January 16, 2018, YouTube has changed these policies. A channel now must reach 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and have at least 1,000 subscribers to begin the review process. Now, it is also important to note that just because you have met those requirements, it doesn't mean you're going to get approved. Your channel has to abide by YouTube's policies, so if you're sitting there looking at your channel statistics like I am right now going, what the hell, YouTube? Don't worry, it's actually a lot easier than you think to meet these requirements, and I don't want you to get discouraged. These numbers seem very big right now, so let's break it down starting with the 1,000 subscriber requirement. Let's say you go to school or work or play sports, whatever the case, throughout your average day, you see around 100 different people. Whether those be friends, family members, co-workers, strangers, etc. Every single day, you see at least 100 people. So, take advantage of this, talk to people and tell them about your channel. If you really want to be in the YouTube Partner Program, that 1,000 subscriber benchmark really isn't that big of a deal. You're already going to be gaining traction on YouTube if you're uploading videos. That's something important you need to know. If you upload videos, you will get some traction on the platform, no matter what kind of traction it is, whether it be small or big or slow or fast, but you will gain traction. If you want to really boost your channel and get it even higher than you think you're going to get it at, then you got to talk to people and promote it on your own. Tell people about it. Get those subscribers to know you personally. So the 1,000 subscriber milestone is really not that big of a deal when you break it down and think about it. But the 4,000 watch hour time is a little different, so let's say that you have 25 videos that are about 10 minutes in length. And then let's say only your mom, dad, sister, brother, and dog watched your videos. 5 people. Those 5 individuals watched all of your videos from start to finish. That's already 1,250 watch minutes, which if we convert that to hours, we're looking at almost 21 hours. Literally, for doing almost nothing, we're on our way to the 4,000 watch hour requirement. Let me put this into perspective a little bit more for you. Most channels from scratch who get admitted in the YouTube Partner Program have about, 35-ish videos. So again, let's say those videos are 10 minutes in length, and let's say you've got about 250 subscribers. If all 250 of those people watch your videos from start to finish, you're looking at almost 1,500 watch hours, which is well over a quarter of the way to 4,000 watch hours. That's literally if those videos were only watched from your subscribers alone. And if you didn't know this, most views, I'm talking like 70% of views here, comes from non-subscribers. So the people who aren't subscribed to your channel are actually the biggest force of your views every single month. So if you can gain some people interested in your channel, get a few subscribers here and there, upload regularly, this 4,000 watch hour requirement really isn't that big of a deal. But the key component is to upload regularly. And if you're still scared of this 4,000 hour watch time requirement, then here's a pro tip: live streaming. If you have the luxury and capability to live stream, then I highly recommend you do it. If you were to live stream for an hour once a week, and let's say only 10 people were watching you, that's 10 hours of bonus watch time a week to supplement the watch time you get from your videos. Plus, when you live stream, you gain more subscribers a lot easier because it's easier to find your channel when you're live. So you get a bit of a double whammy here. And bam, these requirements really aren't that big of a deal and as intimidating as you think they are when you take a step back and break it down a little bit more. Sure, I get it though, at face value it is very intimidating, but make sure you take a step back and break it down and set goals for yourself, and then you'll be there in no time. But if you're really passionate about YouTube, maybe you want to make a career out of it someday, then check out my website, ShawnMalkou.com. It'll be linked in the description of this video, and it's really all over my channel. I've got some great content on there if you want to be really successful on YouTube. And if you're not interested in that, no worries, fine by me. I've got some great content that I'm going to be releasing on this channel, so maybe just hit that subscribe button. But again, Shawn's the name, YouTube's the game. I wish you all the best of luck on here, and I'll see you in the next video.